Hi guys, and welcome back to Moto Joshing. So we're going again. Wildbad Weekender, baby. Looking forward to it. Let's get into it. So last night there was some teasing going on for the last couple of days, but it's true, the tickets were released. I imagine by the time this video comes out on Wednesday that all the tickets will probably be sold. If they're not, there might still be some there. I'll give you a link to the website. Obviously, if you have no idea about the Wildbad Weekender, you're already at a disadvantage because you've been missing out on Richie Vida's videos. So again, links to Richie Vida. He does some excellent touring ilk videos, but in general, just a swell guy. Obviously went to the Wildbad Weekender last year. Video to that, link to the video in the card now for you. Essentially, it was a great time. So I know Drake is also going. We've got our tickets, we're good to go. So yeah, looking forward to it. So it's in June this year. Going to the same place, right out on the Saturday. Can't wait. Can't wait. It was definitely a highlighter last year, and I'm sure it'll be a highlighter this year. So definitely let me know in the comments if you're going. Let me know in the comments if you tried to get tickets and didn't get them in time because you suck. Yeah, totally looking forward to it. And if you're a Wildbadder already, might even watch my videos from last year, let me know if you're going. But yeah, just much hype. Looking forward to it. It's going to be another belter, I'm sure. And I'm very sure that I will be videoing the whole thing, and we'll be able to bring it to you people. Yeah, so of things coming up this year, the tickets booked, paid, done. So very much looking forward to it, and obviously having the hospitality of Christine and the Pure Adrenaline lot, and bikers accommodation was ace last year to me twice. So looking forward to seeing more hospitality of the same this year. But yeah, it should be a giggle. Can't wait, looking forward to it. June can't come fast enough. But just to let you know, I am definitely going, and yeah, definitely going to be great. So anyway, just want to let you know that's a cheeky little update. If you wanted to go and there's still tickets left, just do it. It's really a good weekend. Anyway, catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.